kamusta? Ano bang nangyari? Di ka nakalaro?
Yeah, so it was actually open eh.
Okay.
The whole thing. So yung web niya bukas siya. So mas open yung finger. And may mga muscles and laman na kasama dun sa hiwa. So medyo
Ano yung official diagnosis mo? May tawag ba dun sa nangyari sa'yo or...
wala naman, pero ano lang talaga, parang laceration lang talaga siya. Medyo mahaba and malalim lang. Kasi kita mo yung through and through.
Makakalaro ka pa next game?
Hopefully, pero hindi pa namin sure eh kasi baka rin mas lumala. So we're hoping siyempre na makapasok sa playoffs pa rin. I hope yung mga teams na gusto ng Phoenix matalo eh nothing against anyone, di ba? Nothing against anyone. Just siyempre para lang makapasok din kami.
Pero may konting panghihinayang pa na hindi ka pwede possibly pati sa next game against San Miguel.
Yeah, syempre, sobrang nakakahinayang. First is, nothing against Macau, but syempre guest team yan eh. Diba? You wanna play and prove something wrong or prove something towards a guest team. So syempre, I was really looking forward to playing against them. But they did a great job. Our shots weren't falling. And ayun,